You're welcome to share this video on WhatsApp and even use the idea to make your own video. Please note the earnings is estimated at January 2025. Cryptocurrency value does fluctuate and the actual earnings will vary. You have to put in effort to get out results. Here's the estimated earnings up to level 8, calculated 13,850. Remember, it fluctuates and it will change. Just a note, remember the following figures are calculated when the ZAR price was 13,850 to 1 BNB. So please keep that in mind. So you're standing in front of this beautiful hotel with a friend and he's asking you if you would like to own this hotel. It does have 15 floors and you have the option to collect bonuses on each floor, referring in this video to levels. When someone occupies and upgrades to that level, let me explain. Now for you to enter the hotel, you need to pay your own 80 Rand. So now you're standing in the lobby and you want to go up to level 1. You now need to find your own 2 people that will each pay 80 Rand. So you will get paid more or less 48 Rand per person, and that will put you in the position to upgrade to level 2 as an influencer. So on level 2, you can get paid from 4 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading as an influencer. And this puts you in the position to earn more or less 57 Rand per person times 4. And after upgrading to Achiever, you are left with about 45 Rand. I know it doesn't sound exciting, but wait, more things are coming. So now you've upgraded to Achiever, you're on level 3, and now you can get paid from 8 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Achievers. This puts you in the position to earn more or less 110 Rand per person times 8. And after upgrading to Ambassador, you are left with about 550 Rand. So now you're upgraded to Ambassador on level 4. And you get paid from 16 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Ambassador as well. And this puts you in the position to earn more or less 220 Rand per person times 16. And after upgrading to Pioneer, you are left with about 2,930 Rand. So now you're upgraded to Pioneer on level 5. You can now get paid from 32 occupant rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Pioneer. This puts you in the position to earn more or less 450 Rand per person times 32. And after upgrading to Mentor, you are left with about 13,216. That's sounding much better, isn't it? So now you Mentor on level 6. So you can get paid from 64 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Mentor. And this puts you in the position to earn more or less 910 Rand per person times 64. And after upgrading to Champion, you are left with about 55,790 Rand. Now you upgraded to Champion, you're on level 7, and you get paid for 128 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Champion. And this puts you in the position to earn more or less 1,830 Rand per person times 128. And after upgrading to Director, you are left with about 229,010 Rand. Now that is sounding better and better, isn't it? Now you're on Director level, and that is level 8. You can get paid from 256 occupied rooms when they qualify by upgrading to Director as well. And this puts you in the position to earn more or less 3,670 Rand per person times 256. And after upgrading to Titan, you are now left with about 927,740 Rand. Doesn't that sound good? Now, if the earnings on Director is so good and so amazing, imagine Icon, that's level 10. And on all these levels, you qualify for bonuses 3 times. Referral bonus, upgrade bonus, and reoccurring level. Now, the next levels are Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, and Creator. And on these levels, you earn a royalty bonus. That means daily. These are some interesting facts. Stop the video, make a snip and read it in your own time. it's very important to look at these as well. Please read why this is not a pyramid scheme and neither is it a scam. Please get back to the person that sent you this video if you want to start now. Thank you.